everyone. Why is Canada's PGWP the best in the world? Welcome to today's Ed Talk. Tell me, how many countries in the world tell prospective international students, hey student, 1. We've made this list of skills that are in huge shortage in our labor market. 2. We've also identified and listed highly affordable 1 to 2 year programs which would skill you in those jobs, professions and career paths which desperately need young people. 3. This list has currently 1107 codes for classification of instructional programs, CIP, and it has only been growing from the time that it was first introduced. Got it? It's a huge list. Which other study destination offers you such a clear career path? Okay, I can hear you asking, which sectors are these programs in? Good question. 1. Agriculture and agri-food. 2. Education. 3. Healthcare and social services. 4. STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. 5. Trades like agri-technology, culinary arts, construction engineering, welding technology, refrigeration and air conditioning and more. 6. Transport-related aircraft maintenance, ship repair technology, commercial pilot, railroad and railway transportation, logistics, materials and supply chain management and so on. Just reminding you again, 1107 zip codes in these 6 sectors. Hey, and I heard some people saying, no PGWP in Canada except for a few programs. Really? Of course not. I will repeat, in the 6 sectors of agriculture, education, healthcare, STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths, trades and transport, there are 1107 zip codes. Imagine how many programs of study are available with PGWP in Canada. If the Government of Canada has clearly listed these 1107 zip-coded programs as those aligned with the Canadian labour market shortage, and they want you to study these programs, if you choose to study a diploma, then buddy, you will probably be the right fit for a job in these fields. And hello, the Canadian government has also said you can study any bachelor's or master's degree. I repeat, any bachelor's or master's degree in any field, and you will still qualify for a 3-year PGWP, even if it's a 1-year master's in any field. So tell me, how can anyone say that Canada has closed their PGWP? In fact, they have clearly listed out those programs that are employment-driven and are needed by the labour market. Tell me, how many countries have linked programs of study to PGWP, giving the students a clear indication of which programs to study? In today's times, students need employment. And if Canada is spoon-feeding you on that list of programs to study towards employment, what more can anyone do for you? Now I can see you smiling. Okay, get ready and visit the exclusive Canadian Universities and Colleges Admissions Fair and Workshop across India this September. Register on www.canamgroup.com to know the cities, dates, time and venues. You'll get to meet your favorite university and college reps who will help you choose the right program, tell you about scholarships, about part-time jobs. Yeah, you can work part-time for 24 hours a week and give you application fee waivers. Well, most of them will. So DM us for any question and see you at the Canadian Universities and Colleges Admissions Fair and Workshop this September. And see you soon.